Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how I cook ginataang kale or kale in coconut cream. Yeah, we miss our tropical vegetables here in Canada, and kale is my favorite replacement for so many of those. Cooking kale in coconut cream is a simple and delicious way to enjoy this nutrient-packed green that's cost-effective adaptation to what's easily available here. Okay, so here are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon salted shrimp paste or ginisang bagoong. This is available in Filipino aisle in any Asian store. Salt to taste, 1 can coconut cream and 1 can of coconut milk. 1.5 pound shrimp, 10 cloves minced garlic, 1 piece thinly sliced onion. And for this batch, I'll be using 2 large bunches of kale with stems removed and leaves either shredded or chopped. And optional, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. I did. Okay. So we're ready to cook. So we'll heat the cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Then we'll add the minced garlic. We'll wait until it browns a little bit. Then after that, we'll add the onion and saute for about 1 to 2 minutes until the aroma comes out. Of course, we'll check everything. The onion must be translucent. So in Filipino cuisine, ginataan refers to dishes cooked in coconut milk or coconut cream, which is called gata. And this imparts a rich, creamy, and slightly sweet flavor. So when vegetables are prepared the ginataan style, they're often combined with other ingredients to create hearty, flavorful dish. For me, shrimp is the addition. So we're pouring in the coconut cream. And then we'll let it simmer until it thickens and wait until the oil has come out of the coconut cream. So now this time, we will turn up the heat and allow the liquid to boil so that it's going to be reduced. We'll cover the lid and check later. So at this time, let's check. Liquid has reduced. The oil has come out already. So we can now add the coconut milk. And we'll stir to combine the batch. The aromatics, the cream, and the coconut milk. I add chili flakes. This is optional, just to add a kick. Then the seasoning, I'm adding here salt. Just a little bit. And fish sauce. And also the bagoong or salted shrimp paste. This is adding the umami taste. It balances the saltiness in the dish. So it's just half teaspoon. And we'll stir it, combining everything. Then we will add the shrimp. And we'll cook the shrimp till the color changes to orange. Just about 2 or 3 minutes. Let's not overdo it so that prevents it from becoming hard and rubbery. Then I'm going to finalize the taste before adding the kale. I need more salt. So that should be okay now. We can now add the kale. Then we'll add the chopped or shredded kale to the skillet and we'll toss it to coat in coconut and the aromatics. We'll saute it for about 4 minutes and stirring occasionally until the kale turns, all kale turns wilted. So kale has a distinct, slightly bitter, earthy flavor, and cooking it softens its bitterness, but it enhances its nutty and savory flavor. It's very mild though. It just takes in the flavor of what's in the juice, in the aroma that we're using in here, and all the ingredients. That's why we can use kale in so many different dishes and recipes. Also, kale is often regarded as a superfood because of its impressive nutrient profile. Why? It's rich in vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, supporting vision, immunity, and good for blood clotting, all those, right? And high in antioxidants and great source of minerals like calcium for bone health, potassium to regulate blood sugar, and magnesium for muscles and nerve function. They're also low in calorie but high in fiber. You know, a single cup of raw kale contains only about 33 calories. That's wow. While it's being rich in dietary fiber, promoting gut health and satiety. It supports detoxification also, and it may reduce risk of chronic diseases like lowering the risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. It promotes eye health, so it protects against macular degeneration and cataracts. And obviously, you see it in me. I really like it, and that's why I promote it. Now it's cooked, so serve and enjoy your creamy kale creation over steamed rice for a hearty meal. This batch was actually brought to a potluck, and let's hear from our folks what they say about this. Okay, how is it?
Ang sarap din, naubos ko na oh.
Sarap pastora, oh, tignan mo. Oh, sarap.
Pwede yan din sa ano eh.
Ano?
Basta ang ating kale.
Masarap. The best.
Masarap pastora.
Masarap?
Sarap.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog.
Vlog ba yun?
Kamusta yung, ang dami mong kinuha.
Nakadalawang balik na po ako. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, ang sarap pa.
Sarap, di ba?
Paano tinanggalan mo na?
Find it in my channel.
Okay.
That recipe is going up today.
Thank you
Oh,
so
how
much.
is it?
Naubos ko na, Pastora.
Okay, did you follow it? Follow my
Just
channel?
now.
Okay, find Kiss Cardiff.
Okay.
Follow me. And subscribe, okay? I really hope you like this video. For more ways of cooking kale and other dishes with the Filipino adaptive way, please check my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss any videos I will share in the future. This is just to inspire me to creating more content like this. Thank you and hope to see you in my space again soon. God bless and bye.